TrainSpotter13345 has asked if I can record a platform announcement for the train with the longest route in the UK. Let's see how we get on, but I may need to cut up some of the station names as some of the Scottish names I'm not familiar with. Platform 3 for the 0820 cross-country service to Penzance, calling at Stonehaven,
Montrose,
Arbroath, Dundee.
Okay, so that's recorded. Let's chop it up and see how we get on. Okay, we just need to copy the line from the start and put it at the end, and that should complete our message. Okay, we're going to drop a bit of background noise in there as well to make it sound like we're actually there. Right, let's give it a listen now. Platform 3 for the 0820 cross-country service to Penzance, calling at Stonehaven, Montrose, Arbroath, Dundee, Lucas, Cooper, Ladybank, Markinch, Kirkcaldy, Inverkeithing, Haymarket, Edinburgh Waverley, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Allenmouth, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield Westgate, Sheffield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Plymouth, Liscard, Bodmin Parkway, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, St Erth and Penzance. First class accommodation is situated at the front of the train. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 3 for the 0820 cross-country service to Penzance. And there we are. I hope you like it, TrainSpotter.